What's up everyone? So in this video I'm gonna share you how you can easily delete the cutout stickers on the Instagram. Basically, if you had ever tried to create the cutout sticker before, this will be actually saved into your recent cutout, and here you can access it by the way you would like to create the Instagram story. For example, I'm going to swipe this screen to the right, and then you can go to this image or the video that you'd like to post on your story. For example, I'm going to select this one, and if you go to the sticker up here, you're gonna see the cutout stickers that you have ever made before. And in case you'd like to delete it, this is very easy. You just click and hold it until you find or see the pop-up information, delete the sticker. For example, I'm going to select this one and then click delete, and there you have it. It's gonna automatically removed in this list of your handmade or the sticker that you ever made from the scratch before. And once you have already deleted, there will be two possibilities. For the first one, if you upload the story and attach this sticker, so the sticker will not be shown anymore if you see it in the archived. And in case you post the reels or the picture or the post on your Instagram account, this sticker actually still pop up or showing up, but you cannot know more to access this sticker. So that's how you delete these cutout stickers on Instagram that you ever made before, and don't forget to try it. I hope this video finds you helpful. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.